Good morning, all of you. In today's lecture, we are going to start our last exercise of chapter 14, that is exercise 14.3. So, our first question is: a company sells two different products A and B and makes a profit of rupees 40 and rupees 30 per unit products A and B. The two products are produced in a common production process which has a total capacity of 30 man hours. It takes 3 hours to produce 1 unit of A and 1 hour to produce 1 unit of B. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to make a table of the information provided to us in the question. Okay, so what is there? Okay, say it is for product A, product B. Okay, so what is given to us? Time required to make the products is 3 hours for product A and 1 hour for product B, and maximum available time is 30,000 hours. Okay, now what is more is given, that maximum number of units required of product A is 8,000 and of product B is 12,000. Okay, and also they are given about the profit. So it will be our table. Okay, and here we write about profit they get from product A is rupees 40 and from product B is rupees 30. Okay, now this is given to us, and we have to make form LPP, and graphically then we have to solve it. Okay, it is the all information given to us. So first of all, what we will assume, let X products of type A are manufactured. Okay, and let Y of type B. Okay, so profit on product A is what? Rupees 40 per unit. Okay, profit on one product of type A, we can say. Okay, profit on X product of type A will be rupees 40x. Similarly, profit on one product of type B is rupees 30 and of Y will be rupees 30 Y. Okay, and profit, therefore this will be our Z, means we can say that let us denote the profit, total profit by Z, that will be rupees 40x plus 30y, or rupees sign we can neglect, we can write it down. Okay, we take it generally. Okay, now we talk about constants. What constants are given? Two are given there, that x should be less than or equal to 8000, y should be less than or equal to 12,000, and 3x plus y must be greater than or less than or equal to 30,000. Okay, it is the number of products that are required in the market, and it is the total working time for man who will manufacture it, and this is the time required by one product of type A and one product of type B in production Y. Okay, it is all. I hope you understood it. So how we will write? We will write it as, hence the mathematical formulation of given LPP is given below. Mathematical formulation of LPP is given below. That will be maximize Z, that will be 40x plus 30y, okay, subject to constants, constants will be what? 3x plus y must be less than or equal to 30,000, x should be less than or equal to 8,000, and y should be less than or equal to 12,000. Okay, now using graph we have to solve it. So what are our constants? One was 3x plus y is equal to 30,000. We will draw a table for it. Okay, x, y. When x is 0, y will be what? 30,000. And when y will be 0, x will be equal to 10,000. Okay, now what we have to do? Origin test. That means 0 will be less than or equal to 30,000. And origin test, what we have to do? We have to put x and y as 0. So we will get this. Now it is true, and because it is true, it will, our feasible region will be towards origin. Okay, now we can draw our graph. Okay, take it 4,000, 8,000, 12,000, 16,000, 20,000, 24,000, 28,000, and 32,000. Okay, similarly for x, 4,000, 8,000, 12,000, 16, 20, 24. Okay, in this way. Now we'll draw our graph by using various constants. Okay, so for here, when x is 0, y is 30,000. 30,000 will lie in between of this, say here, this. Okay, and when y is 0, x is 10,000. 10,000 will lie between 8,000 and 12,000. So it will be near about here. Okay, now we can join these two lines, these 2 points. Okay, so if you draw properly by scale, it will be a straight line. Okay, and remaining 2 constants were what? First was x must be less than or equal to 8,000. Okay, so value of x will be 8000 in this way, and for y was less than or equal to 12,000, it will be in this. Okay, now we'll check out feasible reason. Our feasible reason for this will be there, for it will be this side, and for this also this side. Okay, so what do we get from here common as this reason? This will be our feasible reason. Now it is closed. Okay, so this point is O, it is our origin, it is our say point A, this is point B, this is point C, and it is D. These are 5 endpoints of this graph. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to find coordinates of every corner point of this feasible region, that is O, A, B, C, and D. Okay. For O is will be what? 0, 0, because it is origin. A is what? 0 and 12,000. B and C we have to find out, and of D is 8000, 0. Okay. Of B we will find using this and this. Okay. One is 3x plus y is equal to 30,000, and another is y is equal to 12,000. Value of y will keep here, so we will get 3x plus 12,000 is equal to 30,000. So 3x will be 18,000 and x will be 6,000. Okay, so coordinates of B are 6,000 and 12,000. Now we will find for C. For C we will find using this and this. Here we have to put the value of x. 3 into x value is 8,000 plus y is equal to 30,000. X value we keep here 8,000, that was given here, so it will be 24,000 plus y is equal to 30,000. So y value will get as 6,000. So coordinates of C are 8,000 and 6,000. Okay. Now we will maximize it. We will find the maximum value for our z. Okay. What was our z? Our z was equal to 40x plus 30y. Now we find at O, z will be what? 0 plus 0, 0. At A, z will be what? What are the coordinates of point A? That are 0 and 12,000. So it will be 0 plus 30 into 12,000. So that will be 36, 3,60,000. Okay. Now at point B, whose coordinates are 6,000 and 12,000. So 40 into 6,000 plus 30 into 12,000. It will be what? 2,40,000 plus it will be 3,60,000. So this total will be 6 lakhs. Okay. And now at point C, Z will be, coordinates are 8,000 and 6,000. So 40 into 8,000 plus 30 into 6,000. It will be 3,20,000 plus, and it will be 1,80,000. So this total will be what? This whole will be equal to 5 lakhs. Okay, now at point D, coordinates of D are 8000 and 0, so it will be 40 into 8000 plus 0, so that are 3,20,000. So what is the maximum profit we have got here? That is this maximum value. Maximum value means we have got maximum profit. Okay, so what are coordinates of B? So this means these many products must be manufactured. Okay, X means product of type A and Y means product of type B. So that means 6,000 products of type A and 12,000 products of type B must be manufactured so that they have maximum profit. And if they ask about maximum profit, the maximum profit will be of 6 lakhs. Okay. Now question number 2 is very easy. You can solve on your own. If you have any problem, then you may ask. Now question number 3. In question number 3, I can just form the LPP, mathematical formulation I can do, and the rest means solution you can solve on your own. Okay. Question given to us is a dietitian mixes together two kinds of food in such a way that the mixture contains at least 6 units of vitamin A, 7 units of vitamin B, 11 units of vitamin C, and 9 units of vitamin C. The vitamin contents of 1 kg of food X and food Y are given below. So what is given to us? Food X, food is given to us here, X and Y, and here they have given us vitamins. Okay, so A, B, C and D. So it is given this is all about 1 kg of food. Okay, 1, 1, 1 and 2. And 2, 1, 3 and 1. Okay. And what else is given to us is that cost is given. Okay. Cost is given to us of rupees X is food X is rupees 5 per kg and of Y is rupees 8 per kg. Okay. Also, they have asked about minimum requirements. Okay, they have told us the minimum requirements. Okay, of vitamin A is 6 units, of vitamin B 7 units, it is 11 units, and of D is 9 units. Okay, so it is a table we have drawn here. Now we can let us assume let X kg, or we can say here S kgs, because X and Y are food given here, so that we will not confuse, we will take any other variable here. So we can say S kgs of food X and T kg of food Y are required. Okay. Cost of 1 kg food X, that is rupees 5. Cost of S kg food X is equal to 5x. Similarly, cost of 1 kg food Y is rupees 8 and cost of T kgs of food Y is rupees 8x. Now let us assume the total cost equal to Z, and that Z will be equal to what? 5x plus 8x. Okay. Now if we talk about constants, what we will say? I am just writing the constants here. Constants. So what we will write? That first we will write that food X give 1 unit of vitamin A and food Y gives 2 units of vitamin B. Okay. And minimum requirement is of 6 units. So what we will say? We will say that total units of vitamin A that we will get is X plus 2Y. That will be what? That will be greater than or equal to 6. Why we used greater here? Because 6 is the minimum value. So that's why we used greater than sign. Similarly, if they are given that this is maximum value, we will use less than sign. Okay, if maximum they are given, then less than sign, and if minimum they are given, then greater than sign. Okay. Similarly, for other vitamins, what will they be there? X plus Y will be greater than or equal to 7, because X units of, we use S and T here. S and T. Okay. I can write this again. S plus 2T is greater than or equal to 6. S plus T will be greater than or equal to 7. Similarly, S plus 3T will be greater than or equal to 11, and 2S plus T will be greater than or equal to 9. These are our constants. Also, S will be greater than or equal to 0, and T will also be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, these are our constants, and this is our Z. That's what you have to do. Cost, what you will want? That we have our minimum cost. Okay, so we have to minimize this with respect to these constants. Okay, so you can solve this. Also, you can try further questions. If you have any problem, then you can ask through WhatsApp. And today your homework is to solve first 5 questions in your fair notebook. If you have no problem, otherwise if you have problem, then you may ask, and solve question number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 in your fair notebook. Okay, thank you.